Hello guys, RiderTech here. So, um, uh, as I'm trying to sell my bike, I find myself in a conundrum. To sell to um, a, a private person, so another guy like me, or to sell to the store. And I'm keeping going back and forth with this. And why is that? Because if I sell to somebody like me, I can make more money. But there's a hassle. I need to ensure that the title is transferred in the moment that I handle the key. I need to ensure that I receive the money at the same time. And that there's no kind of fraud involved in this process. And I find myself willing to pay the premium to a store for them to handle this for me. They keep the bike, they sell it after the profits, they pay me less, but I don't have to deal with people. Funny, is it? That most of us are not happy to deal with even other bikers. Uh, that's me, I think, but I distrust people in general. I worked retail for a lot, and every time I met a buyer of anything, boy oh boy was that a slog. So maybe it's my bias showing, but at the moment I'm just uh, pondering on this, if I should keep this bike and sell it to someone, or if I should give it in trade uh, for a new bike. I will update you guys after if what option I did, because boy oh boy, haha, little 125 that good. Oop.